In this video, you'll learn how to add ads to the Lovable app. By following these steps, you will be able to integrate advertisements effectively within your project on the platform. Begin by navigating to the Lovable website. You can do this by entering the URL in your web browser. Once the page loads, you should see the main interface of the Lovable app, which displays various options for your account. Next, locate the section labeled What's on Your Mind, Agri. This is typically found prominently on the home screen. Click on this area to proceed, and the interface will update to show more options related to your current projects. After that, find and click on the Highlight option. This feature allows you to emphasize specific areas of your project. Once selected, the screen will refresh, displaying additional functionalities related to your project management. Then click on the Home button to return to the main dashboard. This action will direct you back to the primary navigation area where you can access all your projects and settings. Following this, select the Project option. This is usually positioned in the sidebar or main menu. When you click it, you will see a list of all your existing projects, allowing you to choose the one you want to work on. Next, choose All Projects to view every project under your account. This will bring up a comprehensive list, make it easier for you to locate the specific project you intend to modify. Once you see the list of projects, select the project you want to add ads to. Clicking on the project name will open its dedicated page where you can manage various aspects, including adding adverts as one. After opening the desired project, look for the option labeled Chat AI or Prompt. This is where you will input the command to add ads. Clicking on this will enable text input for your command. Type in the phrase add ads in the designated input field. This step is crucial as it instructs the system to generate advertisement content for your project. Ensure that you enter the text correctly. Once you have entered the command, click on the Enter button to submit your request. This action will trigger the system to process your command and begin generating the ads. Now, wait for Lovable to generate the advertisements. Depending on the complexity of the content, this may take a few moments. During this time, the system will display a loading indicator or processing message to inform you that the request is being handled. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.